Now that it's February, I'm feeling more in the Valentine's spirit, and so I wanted to put together some DIYs to bring some of that Valentine's Day spirit into our house. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make two different ones, one a little bigger and one smaller. We're going to cut some of these rosebuds and expose some of the wire then and push them into the styrofoam ball and actually a kid's foam ball to make a little bigger one, and place them all around so that you have this big ball full of roses. And then we'll also use some hot glue to secure it. And then once we're done, we will make a decorative bottom here to display our ball full of roses that will look really nice and rustic, and you might even want to leave it up after Valentine's Day. Now the moment of truth, let's see if this works. Estimate the length probably will only need to be a couple of inches. So I don't need the stems quite this long, but I want enough to make sure I can poke it in there pretty far so that it's nice and secure and will not be going anywhere. I'm gonna see if I can peel off some of this plastic too with my razor blade here, just to expose the metal wire that's inside so that it'll really poke in nice. Basically just carving the plastic off. And yep, I can see that wire good. And then I can even peel it back. There's the wire. And then just cut off only what I would like to use. I'm gonna put the leaves up, secure with a little hot glue, of course. Then I will poke it in. Oh, look at that, it's going in nicely. And poke it in. There we go. So, one done, a lot more to go. So last night I finished the rose balls. This one is the littler red one on the small styrofoam ball, which you can find in the floral section. And I took off the greenery on this one. I wanted it a little more simple and elegant. And this one, I left the greenery on, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It was the red Play Kids foam ball that I found in the toy section. And with the wire exposed, they went in really well, and I secured it all with hot glue. And now I'm going to make a base using some of the Willow Wreaths from the Dollar Tree. So my plan is to deconstruct these and then apply them to a vase so that it will look like twigs that the balls are standing on. So hopefully it turns out, we'll see. Deconstructing these wreaths got a little messy, but you could definitely use twigs if you have them around, dried branches, and cut up anything to give you a little rustic wood look. But I think these willow branches will work well. I plan to keep them together and glue them so there aren't many gaps and fit them together kind of like a puzzle to fit it around this vase and that one. So now it's time to get the hot glue gun out and get to work. Well, I hope you liked the DIY I put together with items from the Dollar Tree. Altogether, it was about $6 to $7 with the materials. I've also have some easy, less time intensive things that you can add to your house for some decor. There's lots of seasonal candies like candy hearts or colorful M&Ms that you can add to a hurricane vase, put put some fake roses in there, tie a little ribbon, and it's really cute and easy. And you can throw that together for 5 minutes or less, and it will really add that extra touch this season. I always have so much fun putting together cheap and creative crafts for the house. So I hope that you like it, and I hope that you get inspired to create some of your own. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.